We up in the Philippines, any questions all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines.
Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm cooking Picadillo, the Filipino style. Our main ingredients are the ground beef, sweet pea, carrot, potatoes, chopped tomato, onions, garlic, raisins, tomato sauce, green olives, salt and pepper, and bay leaves. Let's go cooking, guys. Alright guys, first thing we have to do is saute the onions and garlic. I use probably 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we can add the garlic. And then when the onion becomes soft like this, we can add the ground beef. While you're mixing it, we can break it apart. Alright guys, when the meat turned brown like this, it's about time to add the chopped tomatoes. Add the chopped tomatoes and tomato sauce. And then we can go ahead and add the bay leaves. I got 2 leaves, the ground black pepper, and the salt. Then we can go ahead and add the water. I have 1 cup of water. And then we're gonna go ahead and cook this for 15 minutes, between 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, we're gonna leave it in there for 15 minutes and we'll come back for it. Alright guys, after 10 minutes, then between 10 to 12 minutes I would say, it's gonna be look like this. And then now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. I got raisin. I got green olives, and I have carrot. I chop it like small cube like this. Same thing with potatoes. I chop it in a small one like a cube. and the green peas. Mix it. I'm gonna go ahead and add half cup of water because we need more liquid to cook the potatoes and the carrot. Then let it simmer for about between 10-15 minutes till the potatoes get soft and the carrot. Alright guys, let's simmer for 10 minutes. Alright guys, after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. Alright, we can taste it if we need to add more salt or pepper. Try the potato if it is tender. Tastes good. The potatoes soft, everything good. We don't need salt, but probably black pepper. We need some. Okay guys, it's done. Alright guys, let's serve this. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Hope you like it. Enjoy. Till next time.
Just act sass in the Philippines.